Good morning, everyone. Today is a real winter's day here in Cape Town. I'm just going to quickly show you. It's all rainy outside. So today we're having a friend over. He's just going to help us with something, and we thought let's just invite him over for dinner as well. And because it's such a cold winter's day, I'm going to make nice and hearty food that's going to fit the weather, if you want to say. So basically I'm going to prepare some a Thai curry chicken soup. So for the soup, I'm going to actually put a whole chicken in, and it's also going to have some butternut squash and then some curry paste with coconut milk, and it's all going to go with coriander. It's a real simple recipe, but you'll see it's easy, but it's going to be delicious.